We're at the Resources Rising Stars Conference in the Gold Coast, and I'm standing here above the auditorium with Tony McClure, the Managing Director of Silver Mines Limited.
Hi Nick.
G'day Tony, how are you going?
Very well, how are you?
Fantastic.
That's
So
good.
Tony, you're at a really exciting stage with the company, I believe, with your Bowden Silver project.
Yeah.
Give us a quick rundown.
Yeah, okay, well we've been at it for a few years now, so we took over a pretty large project some 5 years ago. We've now developed it into a major force in silver, so we've got about 275 million ounces in silver. It's a vast project. To put that into a gold equivalent, it's around about 3.5 million ounces gold equivalent. So we're in the final stages of the approvals. So we hope over the next couple of months we'll have final approvals to build the mine. We've got a very aggressive exploration program. We've got 4 rigs on site. We're drilling directly under the current resource. So that 275 million ounces is going to grow significantly. Where we're drilling at the moment, we're scoping out roughly what looks to be an underground development for the future. So we're moving pretty quickly on that.
So silver's an interesting metal. For the benefit of the investors who may not know much about it, what's it used for? Why is it?
Yeah, as an example, solar power doesn't work without silver. You've got EVs, so electric vehicles. There's much more silver in an EV than there is a combustion engine vehicle, and a whole bunch of other technologies, so that mobile phones, 5G, you name it, there's silver in it. So that's the real growth market. We see about 10% of world silver goes into solar power, and when you see the US and other places saying a big part of their energy in the future is going to be from solar power, that's fantastic for silver.
Fantastic. When could you be in production?
So approvals later this year, so then we'll have a financing phase, definitive engineering, so we hope to kick off later next year in terms of the first turn of dirt. So 2025, early 2026 first production.
And so just to wrap up, we're going to hear your presentation a bit later, but why silver mines?
We've got a market cap at the moment a bit under 300 million. The development project itself is worth way more than that, but I think one of the real drivers going forward is, as I mentioned before, is this drilling underneath is really showing the continuity of the silver, but equally important, we're seeing a lot more zinc, a lot more lead coming in, and as we move to the south, we're seeing gold, so we're telescoping out of silver and then into gold, and further at depth we're seeing copper coming into the system. So from an exploration standpoint, it's going to be a super period for us going forward.
Fantastic. Good luck with it.
Cheers, Nick.